What's the catch with parallel solar panels? While connecting solar panels in parallel seems simple, there are some key disadvantages to be aware of. The biggest issue is that this type of connection increases the overall current, or amperage, of the system while keeping the voltage the same. This has a few major implications. First, to handle that higher current, you'll need thicker, more expensive cables. This can significantly increase the total cost of your installation. Think of it like a highway. If more cars are trying to get through at the same time, you need more lanes to prevent a bottleneck. The thicker wires are those extra lanes. Second, a higher current can lead to greater energy loss over long distances. This is due to resistive loss, where the higher current generates more heat in the wires, essentially wasting energy before it even gets to your inverter or batteries. This can make your system less efficient, especially if your panels are far from your equipment. Finally, while parallel wiring is great for mitigating the effects of shading on individual panels, it also presents a challenge with overcurrent protection. With multiple panels adding to the total current, you must ensure that all your components, from wires to inverters, are rated to handle the combined amperage to avoid overheating or even fire hazards.